Matt, and guess what?
I said, guess what?
Why aren't you guessing?
Oh, guess already. Guess.
Okay, say it out loud, okay? I can't hear you that well, so you gotta yell it to the screen. Yell it to the screen, right? Now, yell! Yeah, you're right, it's lootcrate. Probably didn't yell anything. I know you didn't yell anything, Brandon. Well, too bad. But I know you yelled something. Good. I'm glad, okay? We're gonna open up lootcrate. Another lootcrate. Not gonna be that edited. Oh, what's this one? Welcome to the wasteland. A dystopian future awaits. Oh, great. Okay, well, we've got the Matrix. The Matrix, you see that? It's 300 puzzle. I am not going to put this. I'm not going to build the puzzle. I do not like puzzle, but hey, it's pretty cool. That's cool. Alright, let's check. Oh, Fallout. I don't play Fallout either. It's stuck. Hey, you opened it for me. Guess I gotta open it now. Okay, here. Ready? No! Here. What's this? It's power armor. See it? See it there? It's power armor. Do you like that? Hey, don't glare. Don't glare here. Power armor. That's great, right? Oh, God. Okay. BioShock Infinite. But it looks like there's nothing there. It's just a little thing. Well, bye-bye, BioShock Infinite. We've got our shirt here. I'll save that till later. Ooh. Ooh. Isn't this the Terminator thing? I think this is the Terminator thing. I don't know what to do with it, though. It's kind of useless. Okay. We got our pin here. I'm pretty sure it's like a nuclear bomb. Isn't that just nice? Nuclear bomb in my loot crate? I love nuclear bombs in my loot crate. What's this? It's just a key. It's a key. I get it. It must have fallen out, and here it is. Well, it took a little time, but I got the key. Isn't that great? We got a booklet here. Okay, let's read the booklet. We love you. It says, welcome to Dystopia, nice place to die. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot the shirt. RoboCop. That's not great. Was there a spider on the shirt? There better not have been. RoboCop. Yeah, I obviously know that. Alright. You didn't, I know it, but like. Okay, me. So we got Fallout, The Matrix, RoboCop, Terminator 2, and BioShock Infinite. So there you go. Let's just read up a little bit. So it's just a Terminator 2 metal print. So you just... Bam! No, you're not going up. I don't like you. You look creepy. Okay. Yeah, this Matrix puzzle seems way too hard for me, and I will not do that. Alright. Oh yeah, here's the keys. What is that? So it says unlock whatever you choose. I don't think this can unlock everything, but we'll check it out later on. So this is Fallout Shelter, I guess. Loot pin. There you go. Love it. Oh, loot anime. Oh, I love loot anime. Just kidding. I do not want to buy loot anime. Get that out of here. That was actually a pretty good hit. Okay, it says open me up. We're going to open this thing up. and it's not even going to take too long. You don't even have to put any music in if you don't want to, but you know what? I know you do. You love putting music in because you love searching for music. So that's a little weird, but whatever. Search for the music. Go, search for it. I'll wait here. And whenever you get the music, hold on, come back. Whenever you get the music, put it in. Got it? Okay, good. Oh! Nice job! You got the music in. That's great. Yeah, I like this. I'm gonna start off now. Oh, well, speed it up. Speed it up. Go. Turn the music over a second. Thank you. Speed the thing up. Okay? Put it at... I don't know, like 1.5 speed or something. I don't know. Just put it at a decent speed so they don't have to wait here for too long. Got it? Thanks, editor. Matt. Go. Camera position now. There we go. That's a little better, I guess. But I finished the box, and that's all to show here. Okay, you got the shirt. You got the puzzle. The puzzle. This thing. Fallout guy. Pin. And the shirt. Here, I'm not gonna put it on. There you go. How do you like it? You love it? Great. Now, make sure to like, subscribe, share. Sorry there was no clone series today. I said Monday, Friday. But you know what? The loot crate came in. I was like, well, I still want to do loot crates. Why not do a loot crate instead? Okay? So, yeah. Hope you're liking the clone series. Episode 3 is pretty cool. And other than that... Bye. Woo!